Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Printing Inc. And today's a really quick video. I just want to rant. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. If you're watching this, we're way past it. I want to thank you guys so much. My camera battery is flashing, so I really don't have too much time, but I just want to say the biggest problem you guys will face in the printing industry is dealing with clients first of all, and also dealing with suppliers. If you can't manage those two things properly, you will never have a successful business, and it's going to eat up at your soul. The reason I'm kind of anxious making this video is I'm talking to one of my best clients, and the reason it's my best client is, no, it's not the most like profitable, but she's been with me since the beginning of time, like since I started my print shop. And communicating with her and telling her bad news is really hard for me. It touches an emotional spot, and unfortunately I can't just put a barrier. I talk to her like I talk to my best friends, and it's kind of nice to have that relationship, but it is really hard when you have to deliver bad news. So this is just a heads up to try to detach from that. Try to talk to the clients that are really close to you as best as you can, and try to explain them, and without a filter, guys. If they can't accept what you're saying and how you're saying it because you're dealing with these emotions, they're not really meant to grow with you. If they're meant to grow with you, they're going to understand your emotional pain, and when you try to explain them logically and emotionally what's going on and try to accommodate them, the main pattern, guys, is you always try to, you know, help the client as best as possible. If you're doing that and they still don't understand and they still give you like bad energy, I would personally suggest to cut it off, because it's going to drain you, and that energy can be manifested otherwise, whether that be in your business, other clients which are more positive. And it's not to say these clients want to be like this. They have their own businesses or they have their own intentions, and you're not fulfilling their needs. But if you try to explain to them how and why you cannot fulfill their needs on this very moment, and you try to offer solutions and they won't budge, which is understandable because they want the final product, which let's say is a black t-shirt, and you have no more black t-shirts, this is something very unfortunate. You're gonna have to talk to your suppliers. If you cannot have black t-shirts, you have to talk back to your client, and it causes a lot of friction. What's the best advice I say to you guys is stock up on inventory so you don't have to deal with that, and you have a nice enough inventory. And if clients want, you know, colors that you don't have in your inventory, explain to them up front that it's unguaranteeable. You cannot guarantee when, how, and all that type of stuff, because all the clothing fluctuates. You can have a 500 stock on the website one day, you wake up the next day and there's 0 left. This video could be way longer, guys. I'm not even gonna make a single cut. This is really how I'm feeling, so agitated, like I have so much energy. But it's just to explain to you guys that, you know, it's normal that you guys have these emotions that are going to come up. This is why I'm so reactive right now. It's good to take a step back and realize that if you're doing your best, there's no need to panic. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.